Whoa, what in the mojo jojo is this? What is happening, guys? Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. It's been almost like 4 or 5 days I haven't posted any video, right? So I'm actually not well, guys. I'm down with cold and fever and things were like pretty bad for me. But today I just couldn't sit idle because we got something very interesting in the home and I just got up and thought of making a video for you people. So this is a brand new 49 inches ultra wide 32:9 curved gaming monitor from Zebronics recently launched in the market. So you people might have already seen those super big and ultra wide really high refresh rate curved gaming monitors, right? Either it be from Samsung, LG, plenty of models are there in the market, but these are like super expensive, guys. I don't know how people are being able to afford that. Price range starts from like 1.1 1.2 lakh and goes almost up to like 1.5 lakh rupees for a gaming monitor. Are you kidding me? For you people, Zebronics has launched something very similar, guys, with same sort of size, curved design, insanely high refresh rate and features at half the price point. And now that definitely made me curious, guys, and I had to get my hands on this product for you people, and that is what we'll be checking out in this video, guys. This is Zebronics all new ZEB N49A. This is literally a 49 inches DQHD 120 Hz 1800R curvature design ultra wide curved gaming monitor, and I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you people in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our brand new curved gaming monitor from Zebronics came in this sort of packaging. I mean, look at the packaging over here, as big as a home theater box, right? You've got plenty of details mentioned, and the model we'll be checking out today, as I've told you, is called a ZEB N49A, just launched recently in the market, guys. And talking about the features, as I've told you, this is a curved gaming monitor featuring 120 Hz high refresh rate, 99% sRGB color gamut range, and also has like 1 millisecond response time, guys. So this monitor is only available in a single color, which is basically like dark gray with red accents. As soon as you open it, there you go, boys. This is the monitor I was talking about. Came nicely packed, plus you're also getting some accessories included. This one is your user manual. Just make sure to read this for all the details. Keeping that aside, you're also getting some freebies as well. A free DP 1.4 cable is included, guys, DisplayPort cable, and this one is your mains cord cable. Good thing is power adapter is built into the monitor itself. Last but not the least, you're also getting some installation screws for the stand. So that's it. These are all the accessories included. And finally, moving on, this is your monitor stand, basically your neck part, and along with that you're also getting a Y-shaped bottom stand as well for the neck. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now finally, let's quickly unpack the monitor and check out how does this thing look like. Oh boy, that is definitely heavy. Glad I have my dad over here helping me with the unboxing. And boy, oh boy, this is what I was talking about. Absolutely beautiful, right? What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the monitor and then be right back to continue this video. So there you go, boys. Here's how Zebronics all new N49A curved gaming monitor looks like. And initial impressions, I have to say that is one beautiful looking monitor and is also like super big in size. You will definitely need to have like a very large table to actually place this monitor, guys. But anyways, look at the whole design over here. Beautiful curvature design, right? As I've told you at the beginning, it features a 49 inches 1800R super curved design, guys. So basically the aspect ratio you're getting is called as 32:9 and features like DQHD resolution. Nothing but dual QHD, guys. Basically it is like having two monitors stitched into one. Talking about the looks from the front, right, the monitor has a three-sided frameless design. At the sides and the top there are no frames at all, but on the bottom you do have a little bit of chin with the Zebronics logo at the center, and on the left side you can see pure pixel technology, and just below the logo you can access all of its menu buttons and also all of its features. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. Having a look at the side profile, and boys, this is what I was talking about. Oh baby, look at that curve. Pretty sweet, right? Anyways, going to the back side, as I've told you, Zebronics monitor has a dual tone design. You're getting an all dark grey sort of finish with beautiful red accents here and there. Gives you that gaming sort of vibe when you look at it. Even the stand also looks pretty nice. Entire body is actually made of like good quality polycarbonate material and definitely feels quite solid when you hold it. And having a look at the lower half section, right, this is where you can observe all of its connectivity ports present at the back side. And not to miss out, you do get like a cable management slot as well to neatly organize all your cables. Let me just give you a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports. You're getting plenty of connectivity ports, which include RJ45 Ethernet LAN port is there, one HDMI port, a DP port is also available, and going to the other side here you can check out a couple of USB ports which include a USB-C port as well, because the monitor supports KVM, right? You can connect multiple number of devices to the same monitor and at the same time switch between them very conveniently, guys. Apart from that, you're getting a USB-B port available to connect some peripherals, and 2 USB ports plus a 3.5mm headphone jack is also there. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power on the monitor and give you like a very first hands-on and impressions, and also have a closer look and show you all the menu built-in features and functions of this monitor. Menu can be very easily accessed on the monitor using these control buttons present just below the Zebronics logo. You've got 5 buttons over here: menu, up and down navigation, exit, and also a power button, followed by a tiny status LED indicator. So as soon as you toggle the menu, there you go, here's how the menu pops up and gives you a glance at complete information and the current configuration as well. In the game settings, you can toggle between different game modes available. You can either set it to standard mode, RPG mode, FPS, MOBA, depends on the current scenario and your application and usage. So I'll leave that up to you. You can adjust a lot of picture settings like brightness, contrast levels, DCR, sharpness level, or even enable like low blue light filter if in case required. Moving over to the color settings, here you can adjust the color balance, guys. You want to set it to warm profile, natural profile, cool profile, or apply your own custom color temperature settings. And last but not the least, monitor also supports very useful features like picture in picture mode, picture by picture mode is also there, and KVM switch technology as well. So that's it, these are all the available built-in monitor features and functions. So before we actually get into the picture quality and talk about the panel and all the features, right? First of all, let me just play some videos over here. Check out the display panel over here, guys, and then we'll come back and discuss about the display quality.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Okay, you people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, first of all, let me actually talk about the panel specs and features you're getting on this model. As I've told you at the beginning, Zebronics N49A literally features like a massive 49 inches, 1800R curvature design, ultra wide panel, guys. And talking about the panel, you're actually getting a VA panel over here, and the resolution is DQHD, basically like dual QHD resolution, guys, which literally translates to like 5120 into 1440p resolution. And I'm telling you people, right, once you start playing games on these ultra wide curved gaming monitors, right, it is like crazy, guys, next level, very immersive experience. I have played and watched a variety of content over here, like a couple of YouTube videos, movies, and not to miss out, the main highlight would be gaming, guys. And overall display quality is actually very good for the price point. As I've told you, you're getting a VA panel, right, that too with a DQHD resolution. Excellent amount of detail, guys, no matter what sort of content you're watching, especially if you're reading like websites or blogs, right? Text looks crisp and clear, razor sharp is what I can say. So let me actually tell you the main highlight of having these sort of ultra wide curved gaming monitors, especially if you're like a gamer or maybe like a creator, right? Obviously you'll have like multiple number of tabs and apps open in the background, right? You don't need to switch between them one at a time. You can actually view up to like 3 different windows at the same time without having to minimize anything. That is like super handy. You can open websites on one side, at the same center page you can open maybe like your creative applications, maybe like Photoshop, video editing, something like that, and on the right side at the same time you can open some other app. Super useful for productive and multitasking related applications. A lot of people usually go for like dual monitor setups, triple monitor setups, right? But problem with those sort of setups is you'll obviously get like bezels at the center, right? So that is a lot of distracting and also disturbing, especially if you're playing games, maybe like racing games or FPS games, right? Those can definitely impact your experience. That is not the case over here. These ultra wide curved monitors eliminate that issue. Anyways, moving on and talking about the contrast levels. Contrast ratio is pretty good. Again, it's a VA panel, right? So obviously you're getting like decent contrast ratio, and black levels are also pretty nice. And talking about the colors were also pretty good, guys. So I was a bit skeptical because it's a VA panel, but nothing to worry about. Zebronics has actually used a good quality panel, and in fact this VA panel supports almost up to like 99% sRGB color gamut range and up to 95% DCI P3 color gamut range. Very nice experience, I would would say. Especially if you're like a gamer, right? You'll be like very pleased. On top of that, you're getting multiple number of picture modes and game modes available, right? FPS mode is there, racing mode is available, and many more to choose from. Not only that, if you're like a creator, as I've told you, you do have like a natural color temperature mode available as well to give you like pretty realistic and natural looking colors out of the box. Talking about the brightness of the panel is also nice. It can easily go up to like 350 400 nits of brightness, and I had no issues checking out the display in like broad daylight situations. And last but not the least, main highlight would be the display panel has a support of up to like 120 Hz high refresh rate, guys, and everything just glides on this curved panel over here. Buttery smooth experience. We'll anyhow get there and talk about the gaming performance part in a moment, right? So overall experience, display quality is like very good for the price that you're paying on the Zebronics N49A curved gaming monitor. And not to miss out, this monitor also comes with like built-in stereo speakers as well, which I was totally not expecting. Decent speakers, I would say, gets your job done. All the vocals were like crisp and clear, easily understandable dialogues as well, but you won't get that pro sort of results, guys. For that, you will have to go for like professional studio monitors or maybe like separate set of speakers. This is what I would advise you people. I know you people are waiting for this part, right? How is the overall gaming experience on this curved panel? And I've been playing non-stop games, guys. As I've told you, I was a bit sick and didn't do any sort of work. I've been non-stop playing games on this monitor on my gaming PC, and I'm telling you, right, experience was like literally awesome. First of all, you're getting like a really high resolution DQHD 5120 into 1440p, that too with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz at 49 inches screen. Gaming is absolute divine over here. Now you people know, right, having high refresh rates and low response times are like quite essential for a smooth gaming experience. And not only that, they also help minimize the motion blur and keep the ghosting effects as low as possible. Just have a look at these gameplay shots, you'll get an idea on the display quality of the monitor. Holy moly, I don't know how the monitor is looking in the video, but boy, in person, this is like really immersive, guys. I mean, crazy! If you're playing this game, right, you'll have to look left to right because of the 49 inches big size. And everything just glides over here, guys, all thanks to its higher refresh rate. Not to miss out, you're also getting like VESA adaptive sync support, right? Plus, if you ask about the response time, panel has a very low response time of only around 1 millisecond. So pretty fast display is what I can say. Overall, I've played like multiple number of games, guys, not just Spider-Man. I've also played like FPS games like Doom Eternal, Valorant, and was like pretty happy and satisfied with the gaming performance on this curved gaming monitor. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Zebronics All-U N49A DQHD 120Hz ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. If you're looking to buy something like this, right, this is like a really value for money item, guys. For half the price, you're getting almost all the features you might be looking for. You're getting a beautiful 49 inches curvature design, that too with DQHD resolution. Panel quality is also nice and has like 120Hz high refresh rate, 1 millisecond low response time, and not to miss out, adaptive sync support as well. Plus KVM switch integration, built-in stereo speakers, and plenty of customization options. Only thing if I had to nitpick is I wish the monitor had like NVIDIA G-Sync support as well. But apart from that, I think everything else is fine. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. The monitor roughly costs around like 79,990 rupees. So what do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.